This,
Now you're going
this
to
part
set
of it?
this flat, and then you lift
So
this.
do you press this down then?
No.
I keep doing it to squeeze more out and
Okay.
get
And
the
then-
more intense.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's actually good to mix it up at this stage because otherwise some of the milk will get stuck in the glass.
There's milk. What kind of milk?
Sweetened.
Sweet and condensed, like
So it's
Eagle
like
brand.
oh,
Oh, like Eagle brand?
If you were trying to make it yourself, that's what you would
When
buy.
I make it, I do Eagle brand.
if you use just regular milk,
Would
Well,
come
then
out
it
quite
tastes like
the
a latte,
same, but
you know.
I'm looking for the coffee flavor.
Okay, and then you pour it in.
what you would do is get a New Orleans chicory coffee,
Oh, okay.
some Café du Monde or something
Right.
like that.
Okay.
And
So then, what would the Vietnamese use if you know
There you
they
go.
don't have ready access to
Voila.
milk?
Voila! Would you like a taste?
Sweet cream? Do they
Yo.
use?
I had to wait
What
for
do
you.
they use?
Wait.
Coconut or?